Oh, that looks so good. Man, it smells great too. This chicken is so delicious. The skin is crispy and caramelized. The meat is tender and succulent. It just falls right off the bone. The spice blend is unbelievably good. This is currently one of my favorite recipes. My family loves it. You have got to try this Mediterranean spiced chicken. So to start this off, grab a large bowl and place in 4 chicken leg quarters and 4 wings. Then season all the chicken with some sea salt. And I would recommend only using dark meat for this recipe. Next, slice up a medium-sized onion and toss that in there. Now here is the spice blend. You're going to need a tablespoon of garlic, cumin, fennel, fenugreek, and then 2 teaspoons of cinnamon and a teaspoon and a half of black pepper. Now pour all that over your chicken and mix thoroughly until everything is well coated. Now the chicken is going to marinate in this dry rub for 2 days. You could get away with less, but trust me, time is your best friend here for maximum flavor. I have found 2 days in the fridge is perfect. Now once you're ready to bake, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Then you're going to transfer all your chicken into a 9x11 baking dish. Be sure you get all those onions in there as well. They're just packed with flavor. Feel free to drizzle a little oil on top of the chicken here. It's optional. Then place it in the oven uncovered at 375 for 1 hour. After 1 hour, quickly slice up 1 lemon. Then grab your chicken out of the oven and use a spoon to create some space in one of the corners. Tilt your dish so all the juices pool, and then baste your chicken. Don't skip this step, it's really important. The more love and time you give this chicken, the better it will be. Once it's all basted, sprinkle 1 teaspoon of sugar on top. This is going to help everything to caramelize really well. Then place your lemon slices on top and put your chicken back in the oven at 350 for 30 minutes. Now use this time to whip up a side item. I'm going to make a lemon cucumber couscous. So I get a pan on, a little butter in there, a cup of chicken stock, and once that comes to a boil, I pour in a cup of couscous. I give it a little stir, then I cut the heat off, place the lid on there, and let that steam until it's ready to serve. Meanwhile, I dice up a cucumber and some fresh parsley. Then I remove the lid, fluff up the couscous a bit with a spoon, then pour in the cucumbers and the parsley and the juice of half a lemon. Then season with a little sea salt and some black pepper. Give that a little stir, and it is ready to serve, just like that. I know, minimal effort. That's because the chicken is the star of the show. And I'm telling you guys, the flavor of this chicken is outstanding. The meat is tender, the skin is crispy, the onions are caramelized. And last but certainly not least, grab those lemons and squeeze that over the top of the chicken to add that acidic pop. Oh, you gotta taste this. But first, if you like tender, falling off the bone chicken, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. And I thank you for that. I gotta make sure to get some of that caramelized onion on there.
Something else right there. That is something else. Give this Mediterranean chicken a try, and we'll see you next time.